Okay. Hello, my name is Nello. I'm here in Italy, North Italy, Verona. This is my house, and this is my garden, and it is morning now. And I'm a IZI LLC instructor of self-identity through Hooponopono. And this is the way that I live. I live here, and I like to take some light in the morning in front of my house in the garden. Yeah, I have three kids, and they are in their 20s, and sometimes they are in trouble. And me as father, I want to help them. Especially, I have a daughter that sometimes she doesn't like to go outside, and so she doesn't want to see me because and express a lot of rage to me. So I ask always, how can I help her? But the answer is always the same for me. I have to work to myself, and sometimes what I see in her, it is what it is inside me. So the first step that I do when I want to, when I see someone that I love, that I take care, that is in trouble, I always look into myself, and there are always some memories that I share with, for example, with my daughters. She's a Scorpio, and I am a Scorpio. So something that I see in her, I'm sure that it is in me. And when I see that feature that are in me, I let go. And every time that I'm aware of that the main work for me to help her is to let go my feelings, my thoughts, my mm, uh, emotions like fears or anxiety that I see in her, and but I let go in me every time it works. Every time I see that something changed in her, but because I changed it into myself, I work to my unipili. I say, oh, I don't want to share this memory, like, for example, having fear of something, or so I don't want to stay stuck in there. So I say, I love you, thank you. I use all my tools to let go my inner sensation, my inner memories about that. Always something happens. Maybe she called me, or she called her mother, or she do something, she move on. Every time happens that. So I'm grateful to have Ho'oponopono that give me uh, this opportunity to perceive the other in their perfection, and working inside me to perceive my loved one in their perfection.